Yeah, my name is Brian, and I have a son in the primary program here at Inspire Kids. What I like most about Inspire Kids is the teachers are really dedicated to giving a well-rounded education to the students here, and I feel Oliver's development here has been amazing. He's, learning about science and math and reading and everything. He just comes home with the most amazing things. Lately, we've been studying the states, the safety precautions that they have here, taking temperatures. I know that they're very focused on conforming to CDC regulations, and I feel like, it's as safe as it can possibly be. I would absolutely recommend Inspire Kids Montessori. The amount of teachers to students, the ratio is very high. The communication here between the teachers and students is awesome too.